What's going down, everybody? What's happening, crew? What y'all got going on? Hey, we're gonna get down today. We're gonna be taking this thing right back apart. So make sure y'all are locked in the entire time. Got this thing put together. This shit looking stock already. Like we never messed with it. But you guys know what we're doing. We're gonna take this thing right back apart. So make sure you guys are locked in the whole time. You gotta stay alert, alright? Let's go. I don't want to bore you guys with the same content every video, so I got the car up already. But if you guys do want to learn how to remove the bumpers, I got videos up on those, so make sure you guys go check those out if you're curious to learn. And another thing real quick I want to point out to you guys is if you guys take these wheel wells off, just be aware that if you guys mob off without them, and you guys are mobbing in a dusty or dirty area, any dirt roads, stuff like that, those clips that connect the front bumper might get jammed up from dirt being lodged in. So just be careful with that. And I could have swore this crash bar was silver too. So we'll see how the black on black looks. But I'm gonna take this thing off. I'm gonna take some measurements on this, and then we'll get jumping on it. Let's go. I'm going to use a deep 12mm socket with an extension and a ratchet to break it off on all four of these on both sides, and then I'll throw in this extension on with this piece in the drill, that little adapter, so we drill it out faster. Alright, I'm gonna clean this off. Let's see what we could do. Take some measurements and then I'll be back with the stencil and shit. Alright, you guys, we got the cheat sheet. And I got the crash bar cleaned up. Alright, I think I got this figured out. We only got one shot at this. How's that looking? We'll see what it looks like after everything's sprayed up. I'm gonna tape it off a little bit too. We'll see what it looks like. Alright, here it is, fam. Start spraying it down. And you guys remember, first few coats, go real light, and then once you get those on, the next few coats will stick better and you can go a little heavier. Alright, we'll let that sit for a minute. That shit gonna look hard. I'm gonna wrap this shit up, y'all. Know we got the rice on deck. But if you guys like this video, my bad. Y'all stay ready for the next one. And you guys subscribe up. Let's keep running it up. I appreciate y'all. We out.
J.I. Beats. J.I. Beats.
We're still up in this motherfucker, man. What is y'all still doing up in there, bruh? How's that looking? Looks alright. I kind of bum rushed it. Still not fully dry. Tape everywhere. Oh shit. What you know about it? What you know about that ganja life? The grow light. Garden Chronicles coming soon.